Okay. So next third question insights question: if A equal x such that x is a prime number less than 20 and capital B is equal set of x such that x is a whole number less than 10. Verify n of A union B is equal n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So before that, first A is given that x is a prime number less than 20. So I am writing as this, given that capital A equal x says that x is a prime less than 20. What is given in the question? That is only written here. So what are prime numbers? What are prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 means which do not come in any table. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, so and so. But we have to write less than 20. So below 20 there are prime numbers. Then set B, given that set B. What is set B? Set that x says that x is a whole number less than 10. So first of all, what are the whole numbers? Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so and so. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we have to write less than 10 means below 10. Below 10 means only up to 9 can be written whole numbers. So here in A, how many are there? In A, there are count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are there. In B, how many are there? In set B, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 are there. So n of B equal 10. So we got it set A, n of A, set B elements n of B. So we got it n of A, n of B. And then we want n of A union B, n of A. Before n of A union B, first find A union B. A union B means what? First A write down. What is A? 2, 3, so and so. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Union. Next union kabatti union. Then B. B means what? Elements of B. What are the elements of B? 0, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then union of two sets. How can we define? We should write all elements. Union means all elements. What are the elements? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. 0, 1, 2 already is there. So no need to write 2 times. We have to write only one element. Even single element comes in 2 times, then also we should write only 1 time. Okay? Like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Next 0. Next 1. Next 2. 2 already it is there. No need to write. 3. 3 already also. Next 4. Okay. Next 5. 5 already came. Next 6. Okay. Next 7. No need to write. 8. Next 9. So these are the elements of A union B. We have to write all elements, but if any number comes 2 times, we have to write only 1 time. So that's why these are the elements of A union B. So how many are there in A union B? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 are there. So n of A union B equal to 14. Then next we want A intersection B. So write again A intersection B. A means what? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Intersection 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So find it A intersection B. A union means all elements of A, B. A intersection B means common elements of A and B. So in this A and in this B, what are the common elements? 2 is common, write down. Next 3 is common, write down. Next 5 is common. Next 7 is common. Next then that's all. These are only common elements of A intersection B. So therefore And now of A intersection B is called how much? How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. So we got it. N of A we got, N of B we got, N of A union B we got, N of A intersection B also we got. So after getting all elements, take LHS and substitute. Take RHS and substitute. So therefore, LHS is equal N of A union B. Is equal how much? A union B we got it. So ఎంత వచ్చింది ఇంత ముందుకి? Okay, LHS N of A union B got it 14. Okay, na? We did just now. And then RHS. What is RHS? N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. So N of A we got 8. N of B we got 10. N of A intersection B 4. Minus ki minus 4. 8 plus 10, 18. 18 minus 4, 14. So got it LHS and RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved the solutions. Okay. Now see one more question. In sets, this is the fourth question. So, what is question? A equal to x z. X is a prime. X less than 10. B. X is a factor of 6. We have to find A intersection B, A union B and A minus B. This is the question. Now taking given that A equal, okay, this is the question. So A is given that x is that x is a prime. So therefore A equal, what are the prime x less than 10? So before 10 prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, that's all. Before 10 there are only prime numbers. And given that B equal, what is given? X is that x is a factor of 6. What are the factors of 6? 6 coming one table, 1 6 ja 6. Next 2 table, 2 3 ja 6. Next 3 2 ja 6 1. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 6 are the factors. So what are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3, 6. So this is set B. So now how many elements of set? Oh, okay, no need to write set elements. This is the set B. So what we have to find? First one, A union B. So A means what? 2, 3, 5, 7. Union B. B means what? 1, 2, 3, 6. So here union means we have to write all elements. 2, 3, 5, 7, 1. So 2, again 2 got it, but already it is written, no need to write second time. 3 also got it, then 6. Okay, na? These are the elements of A union B. So write in ascending order 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. This is about A union B. And then asking for A intersection B also. So A intersection B means A. A means what? 2, 3, 5, 7. Intersection B. B means what? 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, na? Intersection means what? Common elements of A and B. So what are the common elements? Here 2 is common in both, and in 3 also common in both. So A intersection B equal 2, 3. That's all. Then what is the next two? Asking for A minus B. So A minus B equal, first write A, write minus, write B. So ready? A. A means what? 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. Minus B. B means what? 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. So subtract B from A. 2 is there in B, cancel. 3 is there in A, cancel. So 2 and 3 are in B. That's why 2 and 3 are removed because of A minus B. B can be removed from A. So elements of B, whatever the elements of B are in A, those are removed, then remaining are 5, 7. This is A minus B. This is A minus B, and this is A union B, and this is A intersection B. This is A union B, this is A intersection B, this is A minus B. In the examination, if you write, this is called roster form. Roster form of here. This is called set builder form. For A is given, roster form is written. It is written. For this we will get 1 mark. For this we will get 3 marks.